Hello everyone, so welcome to the Tech Experience podcast. So as we were discussing about the things that are going trending in tech. Okay, so as you remember, like as the sometimes the market grows, it's not usually like something we tumezoea kuona like where small the big boys. This is the tech bros, the big companies come back to of beginning offering services. It's like just wanting to own like the distribution, the manufacturing, the distribution, and the retailership. Sometimes it becomes awkward and it raises a lot of questions and a lot of eyebrows because it's not something that we are used to. So as we have seen it with the AI companies with the rise of artificial intelligence, it's becoming something like kinda out of order where we're being it's this current trend that you begin to see like the big AI companies, so these AI offering companies, they are beginning now to offering the services that we were previously offered by freelancers and agencies. So it becomes quite unclear and causes a lot of questions. Why now, because it's not something like we are used to. Like for example, if you remember, like if you have seen, their OpenAI, they launched a feature where they'll be going to businesses and they're integrating the AI system to businesses and setting up systems for the businesses. And then later, Anthropic has followed the same path where Anthropic has rolled or is rolling for something called for small businesses where you can be able to manage your invoice and some small tasks at your business or at your business. So those tasks sometimes were required some automation or some systems were needed to be set up by an agency and we called because it's a pretty it's a relief to the business though. So but this is a lot of question because should they not be serving making the product more better and more superior rather than becoming the outside and begin to make to offering the services because it will it's going to disrupt the market very bad that like this there I was looking for that disruption the disruption of the market. So the disruption of the market, this is why it means that the market will be disrupted, so they are going to eliminate the middlemen. So the middlemen in this case are the freelancers and the creative agencies that offer these services. Okay, because like I've seen like the integration of tools is making it easier, but what will be your thought? Because more my thought, my point of view, it could be better and greater if they collaborated with the creative agencies and freelancers, where the freelancer and creative agency will be onboarding more clients to their services rather than them coming to eliminate the middlemen. Because sometimes the middlemen they act as a link between the as you even as the from the traditional one from the link between the seller and the buyer. Okay, so by eliminating them, yeah, you will save a lot of money, but you lose a lot because sometimes the middlemen go up to an extra an extra mile to look for clients where you could not think you could find clients. They go into they go above and beyond to get clients to onboard them on the services. So rather than trying to eliminate them, it could be better and easier if this big AI companies could be able to partner and collaborate with the small creative agencies and the small businesses, the small freelancers to make their to really to bring more clients on board, and then they focus on making the product better, and it becomes a win-win for both sides. So the client is happy, the AI company is happy, the freelancer or the agent's creative agency is happy. Everyone goes home happy because at the end of the day, yes, it's a business, but it's at the end of the day is the client and the service provision that matters at all. So that was my thought. So give us your thought on it. and tell us more about it. And coming to another case, so they're going hantavirus, the hantavirus pandemic that's going on from the MV Hondas, the stuff that's going on, the online detective doing this thing. So some guys they drive they tested the water, ready to test the water. So with the one somebody who cured his dog or something with the AI, so they tried to do what? To replicate the same method to do what? To create a hunter virus. So most of them ended up being their token being depleted. The others ended up being banned. So others even on X was going on crazy. So even the others they tried to tag Akina Sam Altman, Akina Sam Altman and OpenAI. So well others also they said they tried to move their services to. So others ended up being banned, while others their tokens were being depleted, when others they were being given a warning shot on doing the same, like consume your terms and privacy, blah blah blah, and what. Well, others were being banned for trying to create the hunter virus. So I don't know. So what do you think? Like something like so happened with cloud, like they nowadays it's becoming like something funny because like remember when there's a time where by just calling Cloud, OpenClaw or Jimenez or something. That other OpenAI, the open source AI agent, it was another issue or Anthropic. When you called it, you usually be given a file. Your tokens will be depleted, or you'll be hit a limit all of a sudden. So becoming it's becoming crazier and crazier and crazier with this AI stuff. So like yes, at least we need some order and we need some competition. The more sometimes competition is good. So when there's a lot of competition, they make the product better rather than trying to compete with. This is okay.